all roads, man. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to a new Sunday morning. Hope you all had a nice week. If not, please enjoy the ahead one. Today's ride is going to be to Safale Ghat. Previously, we were planning a ride to Datta Snacks. That is on the highway, so it was going to be a highway to highway route. But now the plans have changed and we are going to Safale Ghat. Hopefully, it's going to be a climb. Don't know what's the gradient, but it's going to be a climb. We are total 8 riders today, including Umesh Bhai and Tariq Bhai.
हम लोग तो कम है आपके उम्र के हम लोग का उम्र है सब बनाने का आप मत बनाओ नीलेश भाई कौन है नीलेश भाई आप ही बोल रहे हैं अच्छा अल्पेश इसको नहीं आ रहा है अरे कितने 4 अरे हम लोग 8 जन तो है सॉरी
Rule number 5041 of riding a bicycle. On your long rides or on the highway, please wear vibrant colors like neon green, neon orange, sky blue. Let it be your helmet, let it be your rain jacket, let it be your reflectors, your bag, your t-shirt, not your shorts. Reason, it helps in visibility, especially during night times. Your neon reflective colors, they shine and I don't know, they are more visible ideally. Most probably try to keep the helmet or the vest or your riding vest in that color. Helps a lot to prevent accidents. There Umesh Bhai has a flat. Are those fucking motorbikes on the top? Activa, Splendor. My god, how did they even take it up? Damn. आपको ओवल फील हो रहा है टायर में? Sorted. मस्त बैठा है फिर पंचर. Rule number 6097. On a long ride, always carry your puncture kit. The reason, because whenever you travel onto like you're going up for a village route or you're going to some remote place ideally, highways, non-city areas, if you have a puncture, you're going to have a lot of problems. So better take some YouTube training on how to fix a puncture. Get an air pump, get some puncture patches, get a puncture gel, a sandpaper, and keep your puncture kit ready. You may anytime face difficulties. As you see, Umesh Bhai just had a flat tire, being specific. So we had to like approximately around 20 minutes and we are behind schedule now. चलेगा, कैच अप कर लेंगे. वो लोग शायद से सफाले घाट के नीचे रुकने वाले, नाश्ता करने के लिए एनीवेज ब्रेक लेना ही, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी 33. चलो एंजॉय करते करते जाएंगे, 2 साथी साथ में. आई थिंक वी हैव लॉस्ट आवर रूट because there are no signboards around here, nothing. There was a police station where we had to take a right, I think so. But we have come way ahead, like 5 or 6 kilometers down. So now we are traveling back. The gang has most probably reached Safale. Tariq bhai has just called us. पुढे घाट सुरू होणार आहे. चला उमेश भाई, चढायचं आहे आता वरती. फक डेडली मॅन. द गिअर इज ऑन 1, द फ्रिक्शन इज ऑन 1. स्टिल feels less. Come on. It's a 1 kilometer climb more, but a deadly one. Whew. Now we are going to start the Safale descent, baby. Let's roll. We are 52 kilometers down and still I think 50 left to go, but it's a superb descent. It's going to be a pure descent, but again a risky one because there's a lot of muck on the road. So brakes in control and let's roll. Rule number 9945. In the rains, please apply your brake at least 30 to 40 meters before you want to stop. This is a hairpin. No, it was a U, it was not a hairpin. And beauty. Look at the beauty. I don't think this place is more explored. Not explored as in exposed, because not much people come here, but yeah, I've seen cyclist vlogging and all, but no bikers or travel bloggers coming to this place. There's a fort up above, but that's very high. That was on the other road there. I don't think it is allowed because of the COVID situation. I saw some cops sitting on the road, so they won't allow people in the fort, but this was just a normal, we were doing a climb up down. Beauty, beauty. Oh man, hairpin turn. Hairpin. Very risky. Oh wow, bikers also are going. So it's exposed. It's a bit dangerous because it's not mud actually, it's clay, so it becomes very slippery actually. The MTB can take the hit because the tires are broad, but I don't think my road bike ever will be able to take. So let's come next time after the rains. And where cement came in between the road. Umesh is enjoying the downhill. I don't want to super speed, but okay. Mr. 7879, what are you doing? Please move ahead. Okay, hairpin, risky hairpin. Sorry for the brake noise. Okay, the thing is, from morning while leaving, I have had only water, and I have done a 5 kilometer climb on a cart. So I'm super hungry. So now once we are down, we'll have some snacks. I think some morning nashta. This ideally was going to be a nashta ride. We were going to go. So there's a place on the Mumbai Ahmedabad highway called Datta Snacks. It's a famous one actually. Same like your Aura Hotel. It's a famous one. So we were going to go there. Man, one more hairpin. What this Nick is doing here? I need to overtake him. The gears weren't aligned properly. Friction 2, gear 5, downhill. Umesh bhai is, I think, long gone. How was the Safari Ghat experience? You have done it before, right? Many times. Super on your Super on your Pro Max.
मैं और एंटनी को आते हैं ट्रेनिंग करने के। हम लोग ने एक बार रोड बाइक पे आए थे, वी स्टार्टेड अराउंड 6, हम लोग 6 बजे आए थे, हम लोग टॉप पे 8 बजे।
2 घंटा? क्यों? तो मतलब 2 घंटा टॉप जाने के लिए? ऐसे ओके ओके बस सही से।
अभी कैसा, अभी हम लोग ने 200-300 BRM मारा है, मतलब मैं तो सीधा मैं तो और मैं साइकिलिंग जब BRM करता ना,
अच्छा ये रखता है साथ में?
सॉल्ट
सब लगता है बाबा। ये मैं बताऊँगा, ये सब गरज का है।
और एक्चुअली सही में ये सब बैकअप के लिए रहना चाहिए, कभी भी
चाहिए।
यूज हो सकता है।
हाइड्रेशन इज वेरी मच। इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स बॉडी से जा रहा है, मतलब आपको डालना ही है अंदर कुछ ना कुछ। आप नहीं डालोगे तो आपका ही नुकसान है उसमें।